How does something like this work? Well, let's say we open up a web browser and make a connection to our website. If we were using a custom domain, then we would hit Route 53, where the domain DNS records would be stored. Since we are not using a custom domain, making a connection to the website will point us to a geographically close CloudFront distribution where the Apex domain is cached. If it's our first request, then it will result in a cache miss. CloudFront will then reach into the S3 bucket where our static website is stored, and it fetches the index.html page, returning it to the user. The more times you do this for various pages, the more the CloudFront cache will become populated, so you can service huge amounts of traffic directly to servers that are geographically close to your end users. Any cache miss will seamlessly be fetched from the S3 bucket. The default TTL time to live for cached objects in CloudFront is 24 hours, which means that CloudFront will expire content after 24 hours and connect into your S3 bucket for fresh versions. Regardless, copies of your content will be available in edge locations all over the world. The impact on performance is undeniable. If we didn't use CloudFront and a user in Europe wanted to access the website, it'd be routed through many networks, which would have an impact on the speed the content is served and reliability. No one wants that. So using S3 in CloudFront is pretty useful to set up static websites, and even more useful when you have a large user base because it will gracefully handle the traffic. However, using a virtual server, you could even set up a dynamic website and be able to handle a large user base using all these services on the cloud. Now, let's do one more quiz.